Namaskar, friends. Well, I am back. Well, have you ever wondered that can you make your biceps, shoulders, or your core muscles using a yoga? Yes, you can. So today I am going to share one of my experience with you, and this asana is called Tolasana or a scale asana. So what you have to do, you have to lift your body up. So as a prerequisite, you need to knock your legs like this. You have to cross your legs like this. But in case if some people have difficulty, you can even use like this, a normal stance. So the target of this one is you should do it for 1 minute. So let's start the process. If possible, cross your leg like this, make your hand here and lift your body for more than a minute. So do like this. See, you are actually in a scale position. You can swing your body. So count up till 60 and stay with me. As you do this exercise, you will realize that your core muscles are will be moving. You can feel the stress in your shoulders, in your biceps, in your core strength area. And if you do it every day for at least for 5 days in a week for a minute, you will find that you will be pleasantly surprised to have a flat stomach and a strong shoulders and strong biceps. So let's continue it further. It's difficult to talk when you're doing exercise. So let's do a countdown now from 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You can feel the vibration in your core strength area, and although this yoga seems to be like quite simple, but trust me, if you do it for a minute, you will really feel the difference. So try to do this exercise at home or yoga at home, and it's a plus. You're doing yoga, and plus you're increasing your core strength area, your complete core, again your biceps and your shoulders. Thanks for watching, and if you like, please do like and subscribe. Thank you. Namaskar. Yeah, and don't forget, after every exercise, always end it with Alom Vilom Pranayam. It will help you to regain your lost breath. See, I am feeling back normal again. Okay, thanks for watching again, and Namaskar dosto.